Hi, kindergarten. For today's math lesson, we have a special guest. It's Sid. He came to say hi, and he hopes that you guys are doing a good job learning at home. Sid loves math, and our math lesson today is going to be partially about little Sid right here. So I'm going to put him down, and we're going to do our math lesson. All right. So for today's math lesson, we're going to keep working on addition, and you guys are going to do another online game to practice addition. Yesterday, when we were doing addition problems, we practiced how to make pictures to help us solve. Today, I want you guys to do the same thing, but I want you to take it a little bit further. Today, I want you guys to try to make up your own story problem that you can solve instead of just solving one that I give you. So I'm going to put this on the board and show you what I mean by that. I think that'll work. Okay, so yesterday we did two story problems, one about Cameron and one about Sage. And during the story problems, I drew a picture and then counted the pictures I drew to help me solve the problem. So I'm going to do one more example of that, okay? So today's problem is going to be about Sid, obviously. So here's Sid. He's having a great day. He loves math. He's super good at math. And so today's story problem, I'm going to stop and think, what could I write about Sid to help me represent, which means show, an addition problem? Okay, I have an idea. One day, Sid was walking around my house, and he found 4 cat treats. And he was super excited because he's a cat and he obviously loves cat treats. So he found 4 cat treats and he was really excited and he ate all of them. And then later he kept walking around, and because I'm now home all day, I gave him even more cat treats. Whenever you hear the word more or you're thinking about something that has to do with more things, that's when we're using an addition problem. So because I'm home with Sid, I decided to give him 5 more cat treats. How many treats did Sid get to eat today? I'm going to do the same strategy where I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Okay? That's a really quick story problem about Sid. It's the same thing that we did yesterday. It's the same thing that we were doing together at school before we moved to online learning. So you guys should be able to do this pretty well on your own. So what I want you to do today is I want you to tell your parents or whoever you're with that's helping you with your work a story that has a math problem, okay? You don't have to write it down today. You don't have to draw it today. But I want you to see if, just like I just made up a story about Sid that had a math problem in the story, I want you to see if you can do the same thing. You could make the story about your pet or about your brother or sister or about your favorite cartoon character or your favorite Marvel superhero, anybody you want. But I want you to make up a little story that has a math problem in it, okay? If you really like your story, you can draw it or write it down and send it to me on Dojo, and maybe I'll have you share it during one of our Zoom morning meetings, okay? All right. Good job, guys. Great math class.